Now that's the sound of a good 2-liter engine. The sound that will turn heads at every street corner. Many have lost their girls to this sound, but here, I see collab. I'm not here to open old wounds to the victims. I'm just here so that you can talk about this facelifted Polo GTI. It's more expensive compared to the outgoing model, but essentially more premium than before. During this video, we'll talk about the design of this gorgeous little hatch, we'll talk about its engine, look at some of its features, and finally we'll discuss its cost of ownership. So make sure you don't miss any bits of this video. Shout out to my dear friend and colleague for lending me this beautiful ride so I can get this video out to you. I hope to get more test cars in the future, but for now, I'll just keep doing what I've been doing. You're watching Cars 24 and welcome to this video. This facelifted model of the Polo GTI is beautiful from every angle, especially in this color, which is called smoky grey. I also like it in this King's Red. What a sport car without a red color. Red for danger. Black is my least favorite color, at least in this car. Anyways, in front we are greeted by these beautiful IQ Lights LED matrix headlamps. These are standard along with the LED daytime running lights. It also has a beautiful honeycomb front bumper, completing a sleek aggressive front profile. Very gorgeous. The IQ lights are optional on the other Polo derivatives, costing 16,400, but they are so gorgeous, especially at night. Just look at this. Perfect. The side profile is filled with striking sharp lines, with GTI badging on either side of the car. As standard, you get these 17-inch alloy wheels, but this car is riding on 18-inch alloy wheels, which cost 7,700. The back of this car gets a roof spoiler, LED rear combination lamps with the design adapted from its older sibling, the Golf. You also get GTI badging, rear parking sensors, and twin tailpipes, which sound nice, but they have a soft limiter. Here's how they sound. Now let's check out the interior of this Polo GTI. I really like the interior design of this car, particularly the distribution of the red color accent. I was not a big fan of the interiors in the outgoing Polo GTIs. Their red color distribution definitely triggers migraines. I'm happy that you can have this one without this color distribution. You get GTI badging on the doorsteps and the steering wheel, which is multifunctional. The control buttons are touch sensitive, as you can see, and they vibrate when you touch them. The more you use them, the more you get used to them. That's how it works. You also get this traditional VW infotainment screen, which is compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. It's responsive and the displays are very good, as you can see. This automatic air conditioner is also touch sensitive, similar to the steering wheel. I hope now you can see why I'm saying this car is more premium than before. Moving down to your center console, you get 2 Type-C USB ports, 2 cup holders, and an adjustable armrest with an underneath storage underneath. Space at the back seat is quite good. You get a decent amount of knee room and leg room, and you get 2 USB ports for your back passengers. The boot space is decent, and I'm sure you won't buy this car for its boot capacity, but you'll be happy to hear that the spare wheel is available in case of an emergency, and this car is already a victim of that emergency. Despite this being on top of its range, it still has a couple of optional extras. Let me break them down for you. Let's start with the most popular option, which is this tilting and sliding panoramic sunroof. It's gorgeous and all, but it costs 15,400. Next is the Discover Media, which gives you active info display with different info profile. It brings navigation, voice control, wireless inductive charging function, and wireless app connect, which means you won't need a cable to connect to your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The Discover Media will cost you 11,400. The BT audio sound system will cost you 10,300, but this car is not fitted with it. If you want to check out that audio sound system, I'll leave a link for you. These leather seats here are optional as well, and they cost 11,250 rands. The Comfort Park package, which gives you keyless locking and starting system, park assist with distance control, and rear view camera system, will cost you 16,350 rands. Your safety package, which includes adaptive cruise control and lane keeping system, will cost you 10,800. And that's all your important optional extras in a nutshell. Now let's talk about what's underneath the bonnet. You have a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbocharged petrol engine that has a power output of 147 kilowatts and 320 newton meters of torque. It moves from 0 to 100 kilometers in 6.7 seconds and has a top speed of 238 kilometers per hour. Fuel consumption is estimated at around 6.4 liters to 100 kilometers, but my friend here is averaging around 8 liters to 100 kilometers. This engine is mated to a 6-speed DSG gearbox, which is very lovely. The sound it gives you when you're gearing down is amazing. I love it. The Polo GTI comes standard with a 3-year or 120,000 kilometer warranty, a 1-year anti-corrosive warranty, and a 3-year or 45,000 kilometer service plan, with a service interval at 15,000 kilometers or 1 year, whichever comes first. Now let's move on to the cost of ownership for this car. The Polo GTI is priced at 527,700, but this is without optional extras. And if you start adding all your optional extras, like your 18-inch alloys, Discover media, panoramic sunroof, leather seats, Beats audio sound system, covered package, and a safety package, it will take your price to 610,900. If you finance this over 72 months with an interest rate of 11.75% with no balloon rate deposit, you can expect to pay around 11,956 rands per month. If you add 3,000 for your comprehensive insurance cover and 3,000 for your fuel, this will take your monthly cost of ownership to around 17,956 rands per month. What's my final verdict? This is not a cheap car and obviously not for everyone. But if I had the capital, I would go for it. It's a much cheaper version of the Audi A1. And if you're thinking of buying the Polo R-Line, don't waste your money on a 1-liter engine just for my looks. This is the car to go to. That's it for this video. Man, you know the story. Like and subscribe. Tell your friends and family to come and check out this channel. They won't be disappointed. We'll meet again on our next video. Until next time. Peace.